What are Windows registry entries for malware? Imagine your computer as a busy city with many roads and traffic signals. Now, think of the Windows registry as the city's control center that manages how everything runs. Sometimes, malicious software or malware tries to hijack this control center to stay hidden and do harm. Today, we're going to explore how malware uses registry entries to stay in your system and what you can do about it. The Windows registry is a large database that stores settings and options for your operating system and programs. Malware targets this database because it controls what runs when your computer starts and how it behaves. One common trick is adding entries to specific parts of the registry that automatically launch malicious programs when Windows boots up. These parts include the registry paths called hkeylocommachine plus software plus Microsoft plus Windows plus current version plus run and hkeygerentuser plus software plus Microsoft plus Windows plus current version plus run. By placing malicious code here, malware ensures it starts every time you turn on your computer or log in. Some malware is more sneaky. It stores encoded or obfuscated code directly inside registry entries. This code can be scripts written in PowerShell or other languages, stored as strings. When needed, the malware reads, decodes, and runs this code without creating any files on your disk. This makes it harder for security tools to detect because there are no obvious malicious files. Malware also uses registry entries to store configuration data or control flags. This means it can change its behavior dynamically without needing to modify its main program files. For example, it might keep track of command and control server addresses or encryption keys inside the registry. This flexibility helps malware adapt and stay hidden longer. Another common tactic is modifying registry settings to disable security features. Malware might turn off Windows Defender, disable Task Manager, or block access to the registry editor itself. These changes make it easier for the malware to operate without interference or detection. Some malware queries registry keys that list installed software or system information. This helps it gather intelligence about the system it infects. It can also modify registry entries to escalate privileges or inject malicious code into legitimate processes, making removal more difficult. For example, certain types of malware like PowerShell backdoors store encoded scripts in user-specific registry keys. Others, like CACbot malware, create scheduled tasks and store payloads in randomly named registry keys to hide their presence. TrickBot malware often checks uninstall registry keys to gather system details and then uses registry-based persistence to stay active. From the perspective of Windows core features and registry editor usage, the registry is a powerful tool for managing system behavior. Malware exploits this by inserting or changing entries to control how your computer starts and operates. Recognizing these malicious modifications is key to detecting and removing infections. Security professionals and antivirus programs often scan these registry paths for suspicious entries. Users can also open the registry editor to manually inspect and delete malicious keys if they know what to look for. Automated tools can help identify unusual changes that might indicate malware activity early. In short, Windows registry entries for malware are specific keys and values that malicious software manipulates to stay hidden, run code, and control your system. Understanding how malware abuses this system helps you better protect your computer and remove threats effectively.